Hey everyone, welcome to back my channel. Today we are unboxing the brand new Realme Buds Air 7 Pro, the latest TWS earbud from Realme. That I promise, we are good products. So let's unbox. Wow, nice glossy finish and front of the Realme logo. Three, very slimmy packaging, lightweight and comfortable. It's nice designed by Realme and control button. We are controlling this push and play, and wow, just look amazing. Packaging is a very good. Sound quality is very fabulous. So you can buy Amazon and Flipkart. This look.